Imagine a battery that keeps charging and discharging for decades without degrading, lasting far longer than traditional systems. This is not science fiction. It is the promise of a new generation of energy storage. A Utah-based startup called Taurus is developing a hybrid flywheel and battery system, often referred to as a forever battery. It has the potential to reduce the cost of storing electricity by nearly an order of magnitude. In this video, we will explore how this breakthrough design works, why it could be significantly cheaper than conventional batteries, and what it could mean for the future of energy. Modern life depends on reliable energy storage. From smartphones and electric vehicles to neighborhoods powered by solar panels, lithium-ion batteries have transformed the world. Over the past decade, their costs have dropped by nearly 90%, making renewable energy and EV adoption far more affordable. However, even these advanced batteries have limitations. They rely on expensive materials such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel, and they gradually wear out after a few thousand cycles. As renewable generation and high-performance computing expand, we need storage solutions that are more durable, more affordable, and more sustainable. This is where mechanical energy storage enters the picture. At the core of this innovation is the flywheel, essentially a rapidly spinning rotor that stores energy as kinetic motion. Think of it as a massive, high-speed spinning wheel. Once accelerated, it naturally resists slowing down. Energy is stored by using a motor to spin the wheel at very high speeds. When electricity is needed, the spinning motion drives a generator to produce power. Because the energy is stored as motion rather than chemical reactions, the system experiences minimal degradation. Modern flywheels use advanced carbon fiber rotors, magnetic bearings, and vacuum enclosures to reduce friction dramatically. This allows round-trip efficiency to reach between 90 and 95%, meaning almost all the electricity put into the system can be recovered. Unlike chemical batteries, which degrade over time, a flywheel experiences extremely low wear since there are no chemical reactions breaking down internal components. The hybrid design combines a large-scale flywheel with a lithium iron phosphate battery system. The flywheel handles rapid power spikes, delivering energy almost instantly when sudden demand appears. The battery module manages longer duration output, providing steady power over minutes or hours. Together, they form a flexible storage plant capable of stabilizing voltage, supporting sustained loads, and responding to grid disturbances. One reason this technology is described as a forever battery is its lifespan. Traditional lithium batteries typically last 10 to 15 years and perhaps 3,000 to 5,000 cycles before noticeable capacity loss occurs. In contrast, a properly engineered flywheel system can operate for 25 to 30 years and potentially handle up to 50,000 full cycles. If cycled multiple times per day, it could continue functioning reliably for decades with minimal performance decline. This extended lifespan significantly lowers the levelized cost of storage. Over a 25-year period, conventional battery banks often require replacement at least once, adding substantial cost. A long-life mechanical system reduces replacement expenses and could lower storage costs to only a few cents per kilowatt-hour in certain applications, making it dramatically more economical over time. Material sustainability is another advantage. Flywheel systems primarily use steel and carbon fiber, which are largely recyclable. Lithium iron phosphate batteries avoid cobalt and nickel, reducing supply chain concerns and environmental impact. Safety also improves because mechanical systems do not contain flammable electrolytes that can ignite under failure conditions. Operating within sealed vacuum enclosures, these systems are designed with multiple containment protections. In grid applications, flywheels provide something increasingly valuable: inertia. Traditional power plants use massive spinning turbines that naturally stabilize grid frequency. Renewable sources like solar and wind lack this physical inertia. Flywheel systems can simulate that stabilizing effect, responding in milliseconds to frequency fluctuations, helping prevent outages and maintaining power quality. These systems also integrate well with renewable energy. Solar or wind generation can charge the flywheel and battery combination during peak production periods. Then during nighttime or low wind conditions, stored energy can be dispatched efficiently with minimal losses. Commercial users can reduce demand charges by shaving peak consumption. Industrial facilities, data centers, airports, and utilities can benefit from instant backup support and improved power stability. The broader vision is a more resilient and decentralized grid. Instead of relying solely on distant power plants, distributed storage units could support communities, businesses, and critical infrastructure. During grid disturbances, these systems could operate independently, maintaining essential services. While current deployments focus on industrial and utility-scale projects, the technology could eventually scale down for residential use. In the future, homeowners with rooftop solar might install compact mechanical hybrid systems, providing long-term reliable storage with minimal replacement needs. If you found this deep dive into next-generation energy storage valuable, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss powerful insights about breakthrough technologies shaping our future.